We will be testing how well the magic grippers can grip narrow cylindrical objects. Our test samples are battery, stick lip balm, and whiteboard markers. We will be using the P-lip to grip these samples. The P-lip is soft and flexible enough to wrap along curved edges. First we will assemble the stopper and lip. Then we will assemble the lip with the magic gripper. The fitting will go on top of the magic gripper, and the fitting will slide onto the profile. You can adjust where the magic gripper is facing by tightening the fitting bolts. Then we will attach the one-touch fittings and air hose. And the magic gripper is all assembled. Connect your compressed air line and your magic gripper kit is ready to test our samples. You can see the magic gripper lips wrapping tightly along the side of the battery, and it doesn't fall when you shake it. If you have any questions regarding this demo, email us at info@vmeca.com. Thank you for watching.